Cornelius, that was wonderful. Just beautiful. Thank you. My name is Paul Romero, and I'm going to be reading an excerpt from American Journal by Robert Hayden. Here among them, the Americans, this baffling multi-people, extremes and variegations, their noise, restlessness, their almost frightening energy. How best describe these aliens in my reports to the counselors? Disguise myself in order to study them unobserved, adapting their varied pigmentations, white, black, red, brown, yellow, the imprecise and strangering distinctions by which they live, by which they justify their cruelties to one another. Charming savages, enlightened primitives, brash newcomers lately sprung up in our galaxy. How describe them? Do they indeed know what or who they are? Do not seem to. Yet no other beings in the universe make more extravagant claims for their importance and identity. Like us, they've created a veritable populace of machines that serve and soothe and pamper and entertain. We have seen their flags and footprints on the moon, also the intricate rubbish left behind, a wastefully ingenious people. Many, it appears, worship the unknowable essence, the same for them as for us, but are more faithful to the machine-made gods, technologists, their shamans. Oceans, deserts, mountains, grain fields, canyons, forest. Variousness of landscapes, weathers, sunlight, moonlight as at home. Much here is beautiful, dreamlike vistas reminding me of home. Item. Have seen the rock place known as the Garden of the Gods and sacred to the first indigenes, red monoliths of home. Despite the tensions I breathe in, I'm attracted to the vigorous Americans. Disturbing, sensuous appeal of so many, never to be admitted. Something they call the American dream. Sure, we still believe in it, I guess. An earthman in the tavern said, irregardless of the sometimes nightmare facts, we always try to double talk our way around. It's okay. The dream's okay. Means what's good could be a damn sight better. Means everybody in the good old USA should have a chance to get ahead, or at least should have 3 squares a day. As for myself, I do okay. Not crying hunger with a loaf of bread tucked under my arm, you understand. I fear one does not clearly follow, I replied. Notice you got a funny accent, pal. Like where you from, he asked. Far from here, I mumbled. He stared hard. I left. Must be more careful. Item. Learn to use okay. Their password. Okay. Thank you.